Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Maytag top load washer won't unlock. Alright, let's begin. If your Maytag washer won't unlock, you're not alone. Many users experience this frustrating issue, but the good news is that it can often be resolved with a few simple steps. When your Maytag washer won't unlock, it may be due to an electronic glitch, a flood mode activation, or a malfunctioning door latch. Simple steps like unplugging the washer, waiting for 20 minutes, or manually unlocking the door can often solve the problem. Here are the steps that you can take to solve this issue. Number 1. Unplug and reset. Start by unplugging your washer from the power source. Wait for 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple reset can often clear any electronic glitches causing the door to stay locked. 2. Wait for flood mode to clear. If the door remains locked, leave the washer plugged in and wait for 20 minutes. During this time, the washer might be in flood mode and should automatically unlock once the excess water is drained. Number 3. Manually unlock the door. Unplug the washer again. Remove the screws from the back of the top panel and lift it off. Reach down to the bottom of the door latch mechanism where you'll find a 1-inch round plastic tab. Pull on this tab to manually unlock the door. Plug the washer back in and check if it resets and unlocks. If your Maytag washer still won't unlock after following these steps, it's time to call in the experts. At Excellence Appliance Repair website, their skilled technicians can handle any brand and any complexity of appliance repairs, so you can call their professionals technicians to resolve this issue. So that's basically how you can fix Maytag top load washer won't unlock. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.